by the end of the year, my mom and I had understood this like very well. I set these three rules for myself that no matter what happens, I am not going to break these. And also on the day of the exam, please chole bhature jaisa kuch खा के मत चले जाना paper दिन. I know that you're working very hard right now and hopefully trying to give your best, but maybe you're just a little bit stressed. Disclaimer: if you already have a plan that's been working pretty well for you and you are comfortable with it, then please stop watching and continue with your daily routine. But if you have a very messed up routine and you want to fix it, either to improve your productivity or to simply feel better, then I'm here to help you out. I set these three rules for myself that no matter what happens, I am not going to break these. You really need to fix your sleep schedule if you want to perform well on the final day of the exam. Even if you've prepared really well and on the day of the exam you start feeling sleepy and your exam temperament is not good, then things might not go as planned, which is why you need to start taking care of yourself from now on. So I figured it out pretty early that staying up till 4 a.m., trying to do questions, and then waking up at 9 for the morning lecture and staying there like a zombie, not understanding a thing, was not gonna help me in any way, especially during these last 10 to 15 days where you should actually be fixing your sleep schedule so that you don't doze off during the exam. So, during that time of the day when the exam could possibly be held, which is from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 6 p.m., so during these two time slots, I did not sleep at all. So I got this habit of taking a power nap right before my math lecture, which was at 3 p.m. It is so easy to fall asleep right after your lunch on your table itself, even if you're attending a math lecture. So here's what I came up with. Throughout the year, I would take a 5 to 7 minute power nap. So right after lunch, I would sit on my table, try to study for like 10 to 15 minutes. And that's exactly when the post lunch sluggishness would hit me. And I would just put my head down and set a timer for 5 to 7 minutes on my laptop and then go to sleep. And as soon as the timer rings, you have to get up from your chair, go and wash your face with cold water, walk for like a minute, come back, sit down, and then attend the lecture. And it improved my productivity so much that during the math lecture, I would no longer feel sleepy and I would actually be able to focus on what sir was teaching instead of trying to fight my own self ki sona mat sona mat. But during this last 10 to 15 days ka time that you have, I would strongly recommend you to not take an afternoon nap. Chances are that you will feel sleepy on the day of the exam as well if you sleep every single day at this time, which is why the ideal time for you to eat your lunch is 1 to 1:30 p.m. And if you were thinking of taking a power nap between 2 to 3 p.m., so that as soon as you would wake up at 3 p.m., you would just start giving your exam with a fresh mind and aadhi adhuri neend nahi hogi. Like right after you wake up, your energy levels are so high after a power nap, but it's not going to work out because you have to reach your exam center as well. And it's better if you take a power nap and then reach your exam center, or maybe just sleep on the way. Don't sleep on the way if you're traveling alone. पता चला कहीं और ही निकल गए. And if you're not an afternoon nap person, then don't take it at all. I'm just trying to warn you, and I just want to let you know that 3 से 6 बजे के बीच में if you're trying to fall asleep every single day, then it's not going to help you during your exam. So just try to shift your power nap time between 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Also, for those of you who like staying up all night and then go to sleep at 9 a.m. in the morning, please stop doing it because you are not going to be able to focus on the final day. And the same thing applies to your meals. When you're having food, please make sure that you have it not in the time slot when your exam is going to be held. Eat a little bit at home because right after you wake up, you don't feel like eating anything. And then my mom would pack me a proper breakfast so that I could have it right outside the exam center because I'm that kind of a person जिसे खाना खाने के थोड़ी देर बाद ही फिर से भूख लगने लग जाती है. So by the end of the year, my mom and I had understood this like very well कि इसको पेपर के टाइम ही भूख लग जाएगी और इसका दिमाग नहीं चलेगा फिर. इसलिए what we came up with is that pack your breakfast, eat it right outside the exam center, and then just go in and give your exam and khatam. And the same thing goes for your lunch as well. Even at home, please do not eat food during these two time slots because then you will start feeling hungry during the exam. And also on the day of the exam, please छोले भटूरे जैसा कुछ खा के मत चले जाना पेपर देने. You have to eat something light जिससे आपका दिमाग चले. And what you should be doing ideally in these two time slots is solving PYQs or giving your mock test. Like sit properly on a table and chair and try to solve as much as you can. Only then will your mind get trained to solve things in these two time slots. Instead of revising or covering your theory in these two time slots, you can try doing questions like just do PYQs or give a mock test on a table and chair. Like properly just sit down and start solving questions. That's like the best thing you can do. And using these, you won't feel sleepy, hungry, and not focused enough during the exam. भले ही आप रजाई ओढ़ के टेबल पे पढ़ लो, but please बेड पे पढ़ाई मत करना. It's like the biggest mistake I made. So please, whenever you want to study, get out of your bed. भले ही आप blanket लेके chair पे बैठ जाओ, but do not sit on the bed and study because you will not study. You will fall asleep. The best thing you can do is wear warm clothes, wear as many layers as you can. जो सबसे मोटा जैकेट है उठा के पहन लो, wear a cap, wear your socks, shoes पहन के पढ़ाई कर लो, but do not sit on your bed and study. All the best. I know that you are going to do very well because अगर आप अभी तक मेहनत कर रहे हो then you are on the right track. So do not give up. And if you have any kind of negative thoughts and emotions, please do not pay much attention to those kinds of thoughts कि खराब हो गया तो क्या होगा, what if I don't clear the exam. That is not in your hand. All you can do is work hard, give your best right now so that you can be proud of all that you did in your journey. All I would say is that just try to do the best that you can so that even if things don't go your way, in the end, you're not gonna regret anything that you did because you will know that you gave your best and you couldn't have done more. And please do let me know what you'd like me to make the next video about. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you so much because we have finally reached 500 subscribers, which is a big thing. भाई गए नहीं अभी तक पढ़ाई कब करोगे?